Peace, it's Bronzebird here with a rather short video in which I want to put out there. This is probably going to be part of the breakdown of the labor force. And this is more to the less of janitors, because something in my mind had told me that they would be gunning for janitor jobs next. And knowing the city that I come from, or maybe this is applied to maybe across the country, especially when it comes to inner cities, I usually do see so-called black men and so-called Latino men usually pick up janitorial jobs when it comes to the workforce or a career. Now, I always advise men that you start off from the bottom and you rise to the top. Now, this gives a lot of in question now that they want to get rid of the whole entire idea of having a janitor do the work. You see right now in your video, this is what they have installed in the bathroom. You will not be useful to the workforce come the next 2 to 5 years. And this is why I think I need brothers to understand, because certain brothers think that janitorial is the way. But, I always advise brothers to look up at themselves more than they have before. And that you should be looking for different options in order to have an established income. Maybe janitorial work is an established income, but at the same time, think bigger. So just watch this video. I'm going to share my thoughts on it afterwards still. Peace. You see that? And this is what they have set, and something told me this was gonna happen. So brothers, just be on the lookout for that. Don't be surprised if your boss tells you we don't need you no more, or that they start putting in these machines so slowly and they be like, just watch after it and this, that, and third, and then after a while you'll get this letter of notice or a pink slip or something like that saying they don't need you anymore. Pay attention, brothers. Peace.